Let's break down the top 5 reasons the Voltebyk Runner Pro is changing the commuting game.
For so many of us in India, the daily commute is just a total drain, right?
Yeah, that sounds familiar, but there is a better way. So let's get into it.
Okay, reason number 1. This e-bike is literally built to conquer Indian roads.
I mean, check that out. Those fat tires just eat up potholes. Super stable, super comfy.
Next up, this thing is a double whammy. It saves you money and it boosts your health. Get this, one user saved 8,000 rupees every single month. That's huge.
Yeah, the difference is just insane. It's basically free to run compared to a cab.
And hey, you get a workout in, but you won't show up to the office all sweaty. All right, reason 3 is all about the tech. And trust me, this bike is loaded. So you've got a powerful motor, a long-range battery, all top-notch stuff for a great ride. All this means more convenience, more safety, and you are always in complete control. Buying an EV is a big deal, right? So reason number 4 is all about trust. We're talking over 25,000 customers all over India. That's a community built on reliability. Plus, you get a full year of warranty on the most important parts, the motor and battery. And Voltebyk is a homegrown Indian brand. That means real, accessible support is right here. Okay, for our last reason, let's forget the specs and just talk about how it feels. I mean, just listen to this. People absolutely love the premium design and the fun of riding. It's really about turning that stressful commute into the absolute best part of your day. So, what could a stress-free commute do for you? Imagine that. That's the Runner Pro promise.